Jamaican-style oven roast shrimp. So here I have some shrimp. I wash them with lime, season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. Here to my skillet I add some coconut oil, onion, scallion, thyme, some pimentos. Here I add my okra, some carrots, saute them down. Here I add some soup flavored mix, a cup of water. Now I'm going to fold the file paper and make a pocket. Now I'm adding the shrimp. Here I'm adding the sauce I just make with the okra and stuff. Here add piece of fresh thyme, I add butter. Then I fold it up, add some water to my baking tray. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Here I'm going to make some fried crushed plantain. So just fry them for 5 minutes, take them out the oil. Now I'm press them. I'm going to add them back inside the oil for another 2 minutes. Just like that. Now I'm going to take out it out the oven. Look at this, my people. Yo, this is so good. Rich and nice and tasty. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel.